Hello friends, my wonderful friends. I welcome all of you to our Telegram channel, OSTV official Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing in this My Feelings program what you have to do when relatives discourage you for certain things, especially for civil service. Most of the time, many students in my life and also many friends and relatives and colleagues, they also say something regarding this matter, that our relatives not supporting us. Not supporting us means regarding your dreams, your goals, or your purpose in life. Let me clear one thing. It's natural and obvious when you live in family, because all of us, we live in family and we are social beings, social animals. We have reasoning, we have intelligence, we have even foolishness also. Everything, godly qualities we also possess. The thing is that despite godly qualities, despite you have fixed goal and ambition in life, and certain type of positive attitude towards your goal, and even if you have strong conviction, commitment towards your goal, especially for civil service, sometimes we see that relatives, even the respected relatives, they discourage us. Instead of encouraging, they discourage us. Why it happens? It's a very simple thing, because in my opinion, they want to see you, they want to test you, that whether you are sincere for your goal or not. Do not take it in a negative sense. When relatives say something, that you cannot be successful in civil service, maybe IAS examination or OAS examination, but at that very moment you may be feeling disappointment, you may be feeling annoying, you may be feeling some sort of low in your mind, in your attitude. But believe me, trust God, they actually encourage you in certain way, so that you will prove that yes, I deserve civil service. My friends, when relatives say something good of you, you are very, very happy. But the moment they start speaking that you are not, you are not in a position to clear civil service, you feel very sad. Oh my God, what I'll do? No. Never feel like that. Because, relatives always, they are, positive people. Even if they say negative things, that is positive, because, why you are adding positive, negative and negative, just multiply it. Means whenever you are whenever you are listening to them, listen in a positive sense. Listen in a positive sense, because whatever you are, whatever I am, whatever we are, it's because of our relatives. Relatives, they always want good of you, but due to certain conditions like financial conditions, or you may be thinking some sort of pressure, maybe there in family, or some sort of situation which is not favorable for all of us. That's why they may be telling. So do not worry about that. Let the preparation let the preparation going on. Let the preparation going on, and try to convince your relatives that I am positive, and I am worthy son of you, I am worthy daughter of you, I am worthy brother, sister, husband, wife of you. So believe me, trust me, and create some sort of belief and faith system so that they will encourage you. Suppose you have financial problem, but today's financial problem will not last for a long time. If you work hard, if you study properly, then it will vanish. Poverty is a state of mind. One thing is that I often listen to many students that when they are preparing for other competitive examination like banking examination or BD or CT or any kind of SSC examination, any examination except civil service, many friends and relatives, instead of discouraging, they encourage you. When you prepare for banking examination, they friends also encourage you because banking in their view is very easy. Or BD or any other examination, they think okay, railway examination, any examination, they may be thinking okay, it's okay, they should prepare, or he or she should prepare for railway service or banking or SSC or any kind of examination. But the moment you start saying that I am going to prepare for civil service, IS examination, OS examination, they may discourage you because they think that some sort of insecurity comes to their mind that yes, you may not be successful. If you prepare, if you fail, what will happen? You will lose many years. No. Always take things in a positive way. In my view, encouraging and discouraging, they are two sides of same coin. Encouraging and discouraging, two sides of same coin. The moment, if you talk about strangers, people will encourage you for some sort of selfishness, and people will discourage you some sort of other reasons. So do not bias by strangers, and if your relatives are saying something negative, take it in a positive way. Taking positive is very, very important because positive vibration is very important for civil service. So in any matter, so positivity is the key to success. Actually, relatives never underestimate in a very deep sense. It seems to be negative things. Actually, they are not negative because you will draw lots of encouragement, you will draw lots of positivity when your relatives say something negatives. But outsiders, when they speak good of you, that is actually negative. Are you getting my point? So do not take your relatives' comments or compliments or any kind of negative remarks in a negative way. Take it in a positive way and prove that you deserve civil service and you are worthy person and you deserve actually civil service. That's the point you should remember. So never take relatives' comment or any kind of a negative remark in a negative sense. Always take in a positive sense. And say everything in a polite manner. Because our relatives are our relatives. Because relatives, close relatives, they'll remain you for a long time, forever. They may be speaking something, negative things for certain reasons. Actually, they want good of you. So, never take in a negative sense. Always take in a positive sense. And if you take it in a positive sense and study hard, then they will realize that truly you are a winner. So guys, take it positive and be happy and prove that yes, you are the worthy person of family, worthy son of the soil, and you will be successful and you will be successful. Thank you for watching me. Wish you all success in life. Thank you very much.